Hey guys, how are you all? So I was getting a lot of messages on Instagram, on Facebook that I want to learn copywriting, what is copywriting, how to get started and everything. A lot of questions I was getting on my messenger as well as on Instagram messages. Okay, so this video is particularly for you, that how you can get started, what is copywriting actually. So the first question we have in our mind is, what is copywriting? So let me tell you that copywriting is selling through your words. You write words in the Google documents and you submit to your client. Okay, and your client use that copy on their sales page, on their landing page, and because of your words they get sales. Okay, the thing is, there is no one on their landing page, on their sales page. Okay, so because of your words they'll get influenced, the reader who are coming on their websites or on their landing pages, they get influenced because of your words. Because of your words they get enticed and they click on the buy button and they purchases courses of your clients. Or suppose you are also if you are also a business owner, so you might have a course. So you write a copy that will convert your audience. Okay, so that is basically copywriting. If you are a copywriter, so you are basically a salesperson for a brand, for a company, or for a client. You are writing a copy for them. So this is the case, that copywriter, you are not only a copywriter, you are a salesperson for that company. Now the question is, how to start copywriting. So let me tell you, when I started, I was watching a video on YouTube, and that person said me, no, that in that video, that if you want to start copywriting, or if you are truly beginner, even if you are not in the writing field, so what you need to do, just go in your room. That was the process he told me, and I followed, and this is the process I am also telling you to follow for the same, if you are truly beginner in the writing field. So what you need to do is, go in your room, find a place where there is no distraction. Okay, for 30 days you need to follow this process. There's no one in that room. Go on your bed or on the table, take pen and paper. Okay, and start right. And suppose it is 8 p.m. now, so what you need to do, you need to set the alarm for 8:20 p.m. Okay, and in that period of 20 minutes you need to keep writing. Okay, and you need to keep writing, and you don't need to stop your hand until the ring alarms. Okay, the thing is, when you will keep doing this thing for 30 days, your writing your writing ability will improve. Okay, when you will keep doing this thing, and it will happen that in the pain will be start happening in your hands, but you need not to stop. Keep writing. And you don't need to prepare that what I need to write. Okay, in that copy, just start writing whatever coming in your mind. And the one another thing, you need to start writing in English. Okay, that is the case that you need to follow, and follow this thing for 30 days. You don't need to stop in between. When I was starting this, so around it was 14th day or 15th day, I thought let's just stop. But then I thought, no, I cannot stop, I need to start writing. And it was around 11 p.m. in the night. I was about to sleep, but I got up and I started writing, and I wrote for 20 minutes. So keep writing. Okay, so that is the thing that you need to start, or you need to do when you are starting in this copywriting field, or in this writing field. So it will improve your writing ability, as well as your thought process, the thinking ability. When you will start getting the project, so at that time you will get more words in your head in the less time, so you can deliver your project in the less time. So it will help you gradually. In the starting you might not see the result, but in the longer run you will see drastic results for sure. Okay, the another thing is that there are two websites. First one is swipe swipefile.com. Okay, I have written the content in my notebook, so no need to worry about anything. The first website is swipefile.com. Okay, and the second one is swipe swipefworldder.com. So what you will get over there, on this website you will get a lot of sales page copies, landing page copies, email copies. So what you need to do, whatever it is enticing you, you need to pick one, okay, and after that start analyzing that copy, that how the hook they are using, what is the headline they are using, and what is the VSL letter, and what are the benefits, and what are the bullet points they are using in their copy, then guarantee, then PS section, PPS section, and everything they are using, you need to analyze. And if it is possible for you, write one copy, or at least 1 or 2 pages of that copy, okay, pick one copy, or if it is too long, write 1 or 2 pages daily basis in your notebook only, no need to write on anything else, just write on your copy. So you will get to know about the flow, what is the flow they are using, okay. You need to keep practicing by this. I let me tell the website again: swipe swipefile.com, and the second, the website is swipefolder.com, okay. You will get website, email copies, everything there. So you need to choose 1 or 2 accordingly, or gradually keep writing those copies, okay. Now for in the copywriting, there is a legend, I don't remember the name by the way, but it is said that if you have spent $1 to a copywriter, suppose I am a client, okay, and there is someone else who is a copywriter, so if I give him $1 to write a copy, and if he completed the headline part, okay, so I have already spent 80 cents, okay, there are 100 cents in $1, so I have already spent 80 cents on when he wrote the headline. So headline is so much important. So how you will improve headline. So there are some website, let me tell you. First one is buzzfeed.com, buzzfwd.com. Second one is refinery29.com, refinery29.com. The third one is cosmopolitan.com, cosmopolitan.com. So these are three websites you can go through, and you will see a lot of headlines. So what you need to do when there is a headline that is enticing you, or that catches your attention, okay, sorry for that. So what you need to do, that when you are writing, you need to rewrite that headline, okay, whatever the headline is, you need to rewrite. And what you need to do, you need to think that whom they are actually targeting. For before rewriting the headline, you need to know whom they are targeting. Second one is, what is the hook they are using. Hook means the attention part, what is the attention, or how they are grabbing the attention of reader. And third one is loop, what is the loop, what they are actually telling to that reader, that what they will get. So you need to first of all write in the notebook that what is the hook, what is the loop, and how they are actually using the attention, and then rewrite the headline. And practice this for a lot of time, so you will gradually improve in this headline part, okay. So yeah, we have done with till now that how to start copywriting. So you need to take the challenge. Then after that, I have told some website, that swipefile.com and swipefolder.com, okay, where you can find email copies, landing page copies, sales page copies, okay. So now the one another thing is that we think, yeah, I don't have laptop, okay. Let me tell you, I did not also have laptop, and still when I write copy, I write with mobile. How I write, there's an application in mobile, Google Docs. So you can open that Google Docs, and you can start writing, and almost everything you can do what you can do in a laptop as well. So but there are some little things that are missing, but you can start with mobile, okay. And still I write with mobile itself. I have laptop now, but I feel comfortable when I write in mobile, okay, in Google Docs. So you can start with mobile itself. So there's an illusion in people's mind that I cannot start, but I don't have laptop. So I have cleared your doubt, okay. So now how you build your portfolio. So there's an application, Google Drive, in your mobile. Okay, so what you need to do that you are writing those rewriting those copies that I swipefile.com or swipefolder.com. Okay, so what you need to do that the copy you have rewritten, so you need to write those copies in the Google Docs. Okay, and in the Google Drive, you need to put that copy in the Google Drive. And when you are reaching out to client, you need to tell that this is the copy I have rewritten. Be uh, don't lie at the time. Okay, say that I have rewritten that copy from this website itself, but the thing is that I have capability to write copy, and this is how you can build your portfolio. Or as well as you can work in some agencies. Okay, you will get very less amount. As well as I am also working in an agency. What will happen that when you will go through some YouTube channels that I'll be telling you after some time, so they'll tell a lot of money, okay, that you can get in copywriting. I totally agree, but when you are starting out, so you will have some doubts. So what you can do, you can collaborate or you can work as a team member in an agency. What will happen that they will give you work. Okay, you don't need to reach out or something else. They will give you the work. What you need to do, you need to write the copy, or they'll tell you how to research and everything, the part they will tell you. So what you need to write and you need to submit. The plus point is that you can use this copy as your portfolio when you are reaching out to clients by own. So it will help you. You can work in an agency as a copywriter if it is possible for you. So this is what I am doing actually. So this is what I am telling you. Okay, now the another thing is that I told that I'll tell you some YouTube channels. So first one is Game of Conversion. Okay, the first YouTube channel. Second one is Alex Catoni, AlexCatoni. Third one is Sean Ferris, Seanferres. By the way, I will write the captions where it is important in the video. Okay, third one is Sean Ferris, and fourth one is Sean Anthony, Seananthony, or Ny. Maybe you can just split test. Sean Anthony, fourth one, and fifth one is copywriting course. The spelling start from K, copywriting. Okay, Kopywriting, there is a channel and his name is Neville Madora. He is a great copywriter. And another one is Lucas Resike, Reseske. Okay, I am not able to pronounce the name. His name is Lucas Reseski. Okay, so you can follow him as well. And these are great copywriters, by the way. And you'll whatever you want, that how to choose your niche or everything, how to write compelling copy about headline or how to charge, you will get a lot of content. By the way, the content you will get in English. Okay, I'm also recording in English. Okay, the thing is that I get messages from people who are from maybe from other state, that where they don't use Hindi. So that's why I'm making video in English, so that I can cater to everyone, as well as I am speaking in very um, low language that everyone can understand. Okay, it is very nominal to be understood. Okay, the sixth thing, that you don't need very high command in English. Okay, that I don't also have very high command. I just know very basics of English, and I am now in copywriting. So what you need to do, the one thing, that there's an application, you can use this application for free of cost. The name is Grammarly. Okay, so what will happen, that when you will start writing the copy. Okay, actually, so yeah, we were at Grammarly. Okay, so what will happen when you will start writing the copy, there might be very grammatical mistakes. So the Grammarly application will remove all these mistakes and correct those. So it is very useful. You should use this application. It's free of cost. You can use the free version as well. I am also using the free version. Okay, now another thing is that why copywriting. the thing is that now businesses are going online, the course creators are there, digital coaches, digital marketers, and in every niche, that in health, the thing is that businesses are going online. They want to sell their courses, they want to sell their products. Okay, so for that, that name comes of copywriters. What copywriters will do, they write a compelling copy for that brand that will convert their reader into a high paying customer. That's why they'll pay a lot of money to copywriter, because the thing is that if they are paying $1,000 to a copywriter, and if a copywriter is able to bring one $10,000 of profit for that business, okay, so they'll be more than happy to give more money to copywriter. So it is simple, the money is not the case. The thing is that if you are able to generate more sales for your for your client, or the for a brand you are writing copy, so they'll be able to give you more and more money. There is no lack of money in this copywriting. Okay, the more you will sell, the more you will get. So there's the thing comes of copywriting. Okay, so you are a salesperson for that brand. Now the thing is, I also get a lot of messages that what is difference between content writing and copywriting. Simply google what is copywriting, so you will get a lot of blog post over there. Okay, that you will get from lot of website that what is copywriting actually. They'll give you the information about what is copywriting, that I'm actually now telling you what is copywriting. So in the written format you will get what is copywriting actually. Just I am giving example, you can search anything, that how to start playing games, how to start playing cricket, so you will get blog post over there. But when you will search a copywriting course, okay, so you will get sales pages, you will get website where the content is there to sell you that course. Okay, the main difference is content writing is for there to give you the information, and copywriting is there to sell you the course or product. Okay, so that is the difference. And now let me conclude that what is copywriting we have covered, then how to start copywriting, then if you have mobile you can also start, then how to build your portfolio, then some YouTube channels. After that, you don't need a high command in English. After that, why copywriting actually, and then content writing and copywriting. I hope this video is helpful. If this is helpful, you can subscribe to the channel, it's your wish. And you can also like the video. I just put efforts for just you, so that the thing is that there are a lot of videos, but I just compiled all the things. Okay, okay, so how you actually need to start, so I compiled everything and I made this video for you. And by the way, I am recording, it's now 1:30 p.m. and I live in Jaipur. So the weather is too hot, so I'm not taking the poses. By the way, the thing is that the camera is stopping automatically, that with weather is too hot and phone is too hot, that's why it is automatically switching off. So that is the case, and I hope you liked. Okay, so I'll make more videos, so you can get more videos, so you can also subscribe. Have a nice day.